Hello everyone, this is Ajay and you are welcome on my YouTube channel which is Math Cafe. So this one is the second part of differential equation video. So if you haven't seen first part, I will strongly recommend you to watch first part by clicking on the I button. Alright, so let's move. So we will see here formation of differential equation. A note is given. So this will be beneficial in formation of differential equation. So order of differential equation will be number of arbitrary constant in the given equation. So we will talk about it later on in the second question. Alright. So first of all we will see what is arbitrary constant in the given equation. So that is first question, that we need to write number of arbitrary constants. So first example is here y equals to mx plus c. So number of arbitrary constants are 2. So m and c is called arbitrary constants. So here arbitrary constants are 2, and what are the arbitrary constants? M and c. Alright. In the second example, which is written here, x square plus y square equals to r square. So arbitrary constant is r here. Alright. So arbitrary constant is r and number of arbitrary constant in this equation is 1. So arbitrary constant is r. In the given third equation, y equals to c1 into my e raised to c2 into my e raised to x. So here arbitrary constant is not 2 because this 2 term will form a single constant. So here arbitrary constant will be only 1. So here arbitrary constant is 1, and what is the arbitrary constant here? That is c1 into my e raised to c2. Listen carefully. There is not 2 arbitrary constant in the given equation. There is only 1. Alright, so let's move to the next example. That is written here, ax plus by plus c equals to 0. There is given a not equals to 0. We need to write number of arbitrary constants in the given equation. So we cannot write 3 arbitrary constants in the given equation, because we can convert it as by dividing x. So this equation will become x plus में b by a into में y plus में c by a equals to 0 by a, that will become 0. So here arbitrary constants are 2. First one is b by a and second one is c by a. So arbitrary constant, number of arbitrary constant is 2, and what are the arbitrary constants? B by a and c by a. Listen carefully. There are only 2 arbitrary constants, not 3. Let's move to the next example, which is y square equals to 4ax plus b. You can easily see that there are 2 arbitrary constants. First one is a and second one is b. So there are 2 arbitrary constants, a and b. Alright. Let's move to the next example, which is y square equals to 4ax plus a. Alright. Here is only one arbitrary constant, which is a. Hope you understand this. Let's move to the last example of this question, which is y equals to 2x square plus में k. Here only one arbitrary constant, which is k here. So number of arbitrary constant is 1, and that is k. Alright. So next question is very important, which is write differential equation of given equations. So this note will be helpful in this question. So order of the differential equation. So equation is given, that is solution of the differential equation. We need to write differential equation from this equation. So this is important, that order of differential equation will be number of arbitrary constants. So if there is only one arbitrary constant, then the order of the differential equation, resultant differential equation will be 1. If there is 2 arbitrary constants, then the order of differential equation will be 2. Alright. So here y equals to 2x plus 3, 2x plus c. So arbitrary constant is 1. That is c. So we will only differentiate one time to the given differential equation. So to obtain the differential equation, we will differentiate the given equation only one time. So that will become dy by dx. I am differentiating given equation with respect to x. So y will become dy by dx equals to 2x will become 2 and c will become 0. So you can easily see there is no arbitrary constant. So this equation will be called differential equation of given equation. So dy by dx equals to 2 is differential equation of first part. Alright, let's move to the second part, which is written here y equals to mx plus में c. So first problem is that how much time I will differentiate this given equation. So if arbitrary constant is 2, then I will differentiate 2 times to the given equation. Here arbitrary constant is 2. So I will differentiate the given equation 2 times. So first time dy by dx, differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Differentiation of mx will become m, and differentiation of constant term will become 0. Alright, again I will differentiate it. This will become d2y by dx2 equals to 0. So that is our differential equation of part number 2. Alright, let's move to the third example, which is y equals to k times of e raised to x. You can easily see that their number of arbitrary constant is 1. So we will only one time differentiate the given equation. So that will become, after differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equals to k times of e raised to x will become e raised to x. Alright. So to remove k, I can find the value of k and I can put it in equation number 1, that is original equation. So here k will be dy by dx and divided by e raised to x. So this will become e raised to minus x. So I can put the value of k in the given original equation. So this will become y equals to k means dy by dx into में e raised to minus x into में e raised to x. So this will become 1. So the original equation of original differential equation, that will become y equals to dy by dx. Alright. So this is our answer. Let's move to the next example, which is written here y equals to mx plus में 2. So our number of arbitrary constant is here 2. So arbitrary constant is m. Alright, so number of arbitrary constant is 1. So I will differentiate the given equation only one time. So differentiation of y with respect to x will become dy by dx equals to mx will become m and 2 will become 0. Alright, again I will put the value of m in the original equation. So let's say this is equation number 1. So after putting value of m in equation number 1, that will become y equals to x times of value of m is dy by dx plus में 2. So this is differential equation of part number 4. Let's move to the next examples here. Alright, let's move to the next example 5, which is written here y equals to c1 into में e raised to 2x plus c2 into में e raised to x. Alright, so here number of arbitrary constants are 2. So here arbitrary constants are 2, that is c1 and c2. So we need to remove c1 and c2 in this equation, and arbitrary constant is 2, that means we have to differentiate the given equation 2 times. So order of the differential equation will be 2. So highest order derivative will be of this differential equation will be d2y by dx2. Alright, let's move. So to remove c2, I can divide e raised to x on both sides. So this expression will become y into में e raised to minus x equals to c1 into में, after dividing e raised to x, this expression will become e raised to x plus में c2. So differentiating with respect to x, this left hand side expression will become, differentiation of y will become y dash, and e raised to x will be multiplied by here. So plus में differentiation of e raised to minus x, that will become minus e raised to minus x and multiplying y. So I am using product rule in this in this differentiation. All right. So right expression will be c1 into e raised to x. So that will become c1 into e raised to x, and differentiation of c2 will be 0. All right. So to remove c1, I can divide again e raised to x on both sides. So this expression will become y dash into में e raised to minus में 2x minus में, that will become y into में e raised to minus 2x, and that there will be only c1. All right. So I can take common e raised to minus 2x in the left hand side expression. So there will be y dash minus में y. that is C1. So I am again differentiating this expression with respect to x. So this will become minus में 2 times of e raised to minus 2x. Again I am using product rule. So y dash minus y will be as it is, plus में differentiation of this expression will become y double dash minus में y dash, and this will be constant e raised to minus 2x. So differentiation of C1 will be 0 here. Alright, so I can take common again e raised to minus 2x. So I am taking e raised to minus 2x out of this expression. So there will be only y double dash minus में y dash, and there will be minus में 2 times of y dash, minus में 2 times of y dash, and plus में 2 times of y, plus में 2 times of y. That is nothing but 0. So this expression cannot be 0. So this will be 0. So here y double dash minus में 3 times of y dash plus में 2 times of y will be 0. So this is the differential equation of given equation. Alright, hope you understand this. Let's move to the next example, which is written here. Form a differential equation of family of lines passing through 0, 0. So we are seeing here next type of examples. So equation of a straight line which is passing through 0, 0, that will become y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. Alright, that is nothing but y equals to mx. So here in this equation arbitrary constant is m. So number of arbitrary constant is 1, that is m. So I will differentiate the given equation only one time to get differential equation. So I am differentiating this expression, this equation by x. So y will become dy by dx and mx will become only m. To remove this m, I can put the value of m in the given equation number 1. So I am putting the value of m in the given equation number 1. So the equation will become y equals to m is dy by dx into में x. So the differential equation of the given equation will be y equals to x times of dy by dx. Let's move to the next example, which is written here. Form a differential equation of family of circles touching x-axis at 0, 0 and center is lying on y-axis. So first of all, I am drawing diagram for this question. So first of all, I am writing equation of given circle which is touching x-axis at 0, 0 and the center is lying on y-axis. So I can draw the circle as this. This circle is touching the x-axis. This one is x-axis and that one is y-axis. Alright. So this circle is touching the x-axis on 0, 0 and center is lying on y-axis. I can write this I can draw the circle as this also. Alright, I can write the circle as this also. Why? Because in this diagram this circle is touching x-axis at 0, 0 and center is lying on y-axis. Alright, so I am taking this circle to obtain differential equation for this problem. Circle, so center is there and this circle is touching x-axis on the origin. So let's say this distance is r. So this is radius of the circle. So this center will become 0, r. Alright. So what will be the equation of this equation? Equation of the circle. So equation of the circle will become x minus x1 x minus 0 whole square plus y minus y1 y minus में r whole square is equals to radius square means r square. Hope you understand this. So I am solving this expression. That will become x square plus में y square minus में 2y into में r plus में r square equals to r square. So this term will be cancelled out. So I can write it as x square plus में y square minus में 2y times of r equals to 0. Alright. So in this equation arbitrary constant is only r. So number of arbitrary constants are 1. Alright. So arbitrary constant is 1. So I will differentiate this equation only one time. Alright. So I can write it as x square plus में y square divided by y equals to 2r. To remove the r, I can differentiate the whole equation with respect to x. So I am using division method in this form. So that will become x square will become 2x and y square will become 2y into my y dash. Differentiating with respect to x, right? So I will multiply y minus my differentiation of y will be y dash, and I will multiply the numerator here, that is x square plus my y square, and the right hand side will become 0. So this one is the differential equation for this problem. Hope you understand this. Still, if you have any doubt, you may ask in the comment section, and see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye, take care and keep learning.